Hello guys, my name is Juhi and we are back at client review series by Fall for Flora. And today I'm going to take you to a beautiful single seater swing, how we make it, where we make it and where all we sell it. I'm going to tell you everything about it. So come on. This is a 40 inches diameter swing with a 72 inches height. Now when I say 72 inches height, what does that mean? It means the height starts from the loop top till the base. So this height is 6 feet. Usually Indian ceiling height is around 10 feet. So the swing is made perfectly according to Indian ceiling height. Now this particular swing can take weight up to 140 kgs. So any person who is even weighted at 100 kgs can sit on this swing. We also send mattress and cushions with the swing along, and we ship all across India and abroad. This mattress is made up of suede material with inside filling of fiber, similar to the cushions. Now let's get into the designing of the same, and it has a comfortable backrest. Now these designs are very intricate and they are made by Indian women from rural India, and it takes 12 to 14 days to make one single swing. These threads are made up of cotton cords which are 10 to 12 mm thick in the size so that they can take easy good weight. We also give iron rods which are 16 mm thick in size on the top and on the base of the swing for the good support. Not just that, we also give, I'm going to show you, we also give support under the base of the swing. So this is an extra support for a person so that even if the base of the swing gets damaged, the support is going to help it to keep the swing intact. It's a pink color swing, but we can customize it in any color you want. So we do provide customization of size, we do provide customization of color, and we do provide customization of the design as well. So if you want some other design, you can get that as well. Let's sit on the swing and see how it feels. Oh wow, this is super comfy. Did you like it? If you want to know where you can purchase this swing from, you can directly go to www.fallforflora.com. Also, if you want to get in contact with us, you can just go through the description of this particular video and you will find a link where you can directly WhatsApp us or call us or connect with us. And do not worry, even if you're living in USA or Dubai, you can easily get in contact with us and we will ship this swing to your doorstep. And it can be shipped within 15 to 20 days to your doorsteps and can be customized in any color you want for your home interior. So don't forget to like this swing, comment on it, and let us know what else do you want us to make out of macrame. Thank you for joining us today. I'm gonna come back again with a different size in a different color very soon. Thank you.